Okay.
Yeah. Thank you.
Your mobility is pretty good.
Better than some.
Yeah. There we go. I think they've got a separate truck bringing all your goodies down.
Yes,
Okay,
when
then.
you come in up this way.
I don't shuffle
You can sit
across.
wherever you like. You can sit wherever you like.
Good morning, everyone. Florida. Morning.
Would you like to sit this morning? Okie dokie.
Yes, we've been here before.
In the leaf. Just hold on to it in the other hand. Would you like to go out? I'll put it over.
So we've gone to the local village hall, the Bryn, and we've gone for a lovely coffee morning. So we do that every Wednesday on a weekly basis, where we take the residents down and they enjoy coffee and refreshments with some of the local neighbours.
We were just saying it's a small room. Is that one all right for you? There we are. We got some biscuits. There we are. Help yourself. Some at gluten free.
No, well, which is the best side?
It's a fantastic activity. It's a lovely morning. So yeah, they get to be part of the community. You know, some of them are quite isolated and they don't have family. So it's that interaction and enjoyment.
I would have said the village are about a third of the numbers in total and the residents are 2/3. But we do try to mix in and chat to them.
From Glasgow.
So Janet is very keen. She does quilting, sewing, stitching, crocheting. She's very talented, and she's made some fantastic pieces.
I like that one. Good quality is tooth felt, this one. Oh, that's very nice.
Yes. Yeah. You need a bright red one, don't you?
Look at this.
Oh yes,
Well, I said last week, and I didn't know that was going to happen this week. I did say, well, some of them were interested in sewing because I had worn one of my jackets there, you see, and well, I said I'll bring some stuff down if you like. I said next week.
Oh, she's so talented.
How long did it take you to make this one?
When I'm teaching, you do a bit of this and a bit of that. You can't have it through.
This is all sewn material. Can you see this to put on the wall? Fox gloves, that's right.
You want to pin in a double chin?
I don't think that'll get rid of it though.
No, mine's the heartburn, so we'll have to have one in there. There we go. Acupuncture, I think.
Do you feel that going out to a coffee morning makes you feel a bit better in yourself?
Yeah, I think so, yeah. It's more open, more, yeah. That makes life more enjoyable then. Just the quietness and the niceness when you get there. Yeah.
When you just get a pin there and you just stick, and all your troubles will go away.
If it was that easy.
Yes.
I was just going to say, if only.
If only that was
Right. So she
What do you enjoy about coming here?
Getting out of the home.
Do you like having a chat with people as well?
Well, most of the people who are sitting with me, we know from the home. But I know people that come here from the church.
From the church?
Yes.
Yeah.
Just a couple of ladies that I see regularly.
Yeah. What do you get out of coming here then, would you say?
Meeting the people and chatting socially. To be honest with you, it's a small village, but it's surprising you don't get to meet people, your neighbours, but come here you do. Yeah.
Well, they just say they love it. They if nothing else, looking at different walls. They also like chatting to us, but they will also chat to each other in a way that I think is a bit freer than perhaps they do at the home, because they're perhaps mixing with different people. And they just say how lovely it is to come out and, as I said, meet other people.
Which we didn't used to come in.
And that's when he was diagnosed then.
That was lovely. That was absolutely thank you. Thank you so much, Janet, for bringing them down.
Yeah.